Hello, welcome to Glady Tech YouTube channel. In this video, we're talking about how to play Lucky Wheel on your Poppo Live account. So in order to do that, you have to log into your Poppo Live account and also complete your authentication, your face authentication, upload the live photo and also reach wealth level 5 in order to play it on your Poppo Live. So in order to do that, you have to just click on the live option found at the bottom of your screen. Now at this space here, you just have to type in your purpose, the title of your live, then you select the purpose of your live, select any of the purpose you want to be selecting fun, then click on the game option, then click on Lucky Wheel. Clicking on Lucky Wheel, you can now click on go live. So guys, we are now live on your Poppo Live. You can now play your game on your Poppo Live. So if this video was helpful, do well to like, subscribe, share, and do not forget to hit the notification bell to always get notified anytime I upload helpful tips like this. Thanks for watching.